Welcome back to Australian Muscle Car Sales. Here I have today a 1972 HQ Monaro GTS 308 4-speed car in Lono Ranger with antique saddle trim. Let's dive into this beautiful car. The current owner bought this car in 2008 and underwent a 4-year restoration. It's been meticulously restored using GMH genuine parts and also new old stock parts as well. This GTS was sold through Boyded Holden in Wollongong. It has a documented ownership history from first purchase. It still has its day one original 308 engine, M21 gearbox and LSD diff. Original components such as battery leads, original wiring loom. It has the original big nut brake master. As you can see, the engine bay is meticulously detailed to resemble factory spec. The car features its original back seats, door cards and roof lining. It features its original date code correct wheels, original mud flaps. You have this restoration documented with photos from start to finish. After its restoration journey, the current owner reunited this Monaro with the original owner with photos to document. It has its original HQ service manuals, all 5 volumes. Its original logbooks in its logbook wallet, first certificate of registration, letter from Holden. It's got a maintenance record book, and stuff you just don't see anymore is the original sales brochures and also the color selector chart. That's original, it's not a remake. Check out our website to see the extensive photo gallery on this vehicle. You don't want to miss out on this one. Such a beautiful piece of a Holden history sitting right here. Thank you.